Hello friends, this is Durga from ITversity, a one-stop shop to learn all the technologies. I run this channel called ITversity in YouTube, where I upload a lot of content in the form of playlists. A playlist is nothing but a series of videos. And also I'm an active blogger. I run a website called www.itversity.com, where I upload a lot of tech content. Okay, so I want to share my experience with all of you guys so that you yourself can run your website the way I'm doing and be a popular blogger and create your own brand. That doesn't mean that you need to be techie savvy. Whatever, irrespective of your background, you can be a successful blogger, and we will see how to do that. So this video is just an introduction about how you can become a blogger. And as part of the actual playlist, I'll be covering uh, uh, what is blogging. So first we will understand what is blogging as part of this one, and then we will also see what are different platforms on which you can blog, and also as part of other videos in the playlist, you will see how to set up a website, understand the platform, the blogging platform, and how to actually socially market yourself so that your blogger can become popular over time. So we will see the entire life cycle of blogging, marketing yourself, and become a popular blogger, which can help you in building the brand as a person to you or to your company. So first, let us understand what is blogging. Blogging is nothing but keeping your thoughts in a proper manner or attractive manner to your targeted audience. So that is the main idea. So irrespective of your background, you can be a teacher, you can be a photographer, you can be a technology person, you can be anything. You can play any role in your day-to-day life, or you can it could be some hobby for you. And if you're doing out of a passion over time, if you start sharing your experience with people around, it can boost your profile. It can build your brand, your profile. And blogging is one such platform where you can put all your ideas in a proper format, where it can attract people around you. And if blogging can happen as a person, as an organization, or two or three people can form a team, and they can actually become successful. They can run a successful blogging website. So what are the advantages you will get because of blogging? Number one, the brand. Number two, you can make good amount of money, either from Google's AdSense. Google AdSense means when you go to a website. For example, I'm going to my website, and you can see that here there are some advertisements displayed. So for displaying the advertisements, Google charge these companies, whoever go for the advertisements with them, and they will share the revenue with the content owners. So in this case, I am considered as the content owner, and the companies such as Coolpad or whoever is publishing these ads are ad buyers. So they pay money to Google. Google provides the platform, and they pay money to Google for these ads, and Google keep certain percentage of money, and it will share certain percentage of money with you as a content owner. Okay, so you can actually make a big amount of money depending upon the traffic on your website. There are websites who make millions of dollars on monthly basis by just doing blogging. Typically, a successful website might make means if the website is developed by a top-notch celebrity, he can make a good amount of money over time. Whereas, as an individual, if you are good at one particular thing, one niche area, you yourself can make at least a few hundreds to few thousands of dollars every month by just having a proper website and keep publishing the content and enable the AdSense, you can make money. On top of it, if you have enough traffic to your website, you can also motivate the local businesses or even online businesses to post a custom ads for their company directly on your website, and then you can charge a good amount of money from them. And I know there are websites which make decent amount of money on those as well. So 2-3 people runs a simple blogger on a niche area, and they make at least $10,000 to $20,000 every month. It's quite common that many bloggers make such kind of money. Okay, and to go to that level where you get handful of money, where you can actually get a paycheck out of your content, you have to have a good quality content. You have to keep posting at regular intervals, and it takes time. It's not that you just spend 1 hour a day and you will be successful overnight. But if you spend a couple of hours a day for consistent period of time, over a period of time, for example 3-4 years, and if you keep on blogging a good quality content which add value to the people, you can make a decent amount of money on your blogging website. Okay, so that's about blogging, keeping your thoughts onto the website to provide some knowledge or entertainment to the targeted audience over time in a proper flow. Okay, and then what are different platforms in blogging? So you might see something called blogspot.com. There are many blogging websites which ends with blogspot.com. So if you go to blogspot.com, it is owned by one company. I think Blogspot is owned by Google, and you can start writing blogs on the Blogspot directly. Okay, that is the most common platform where people write blogs for a limited set of audience where they don't make a lot of money. So if you actually blog on these public platforms, you will not be able to build brand for yourself that easily, and even the money you might not be able to make it that easily. So it's always better to have your own platform. On top of blogspot.com, means it is a good idea to start with blogspot.com or blogger.com to test your writing skills. You might have a lot of ideas, and you are not sure whether you can put it on paper or not. So to test it, you can start with this, and if you are able to get a good amount of traction, for example even 100 views per day on your content, then you can consider going for your own website. Okay, so on top of blogspot.com, you can go to godaddy.com and buy a domain for you, and that itself will actually take a public blogging website which is controlled by someone else. So you can go with that also. You can build your blog like that using GoDaddy services itself, and you can run your website by paying a few dollars every month to them. That is another alternative. And then there is a platform called WordPress. Okay, so WordPress.com is the most popular blogging site, and you can use this platform and build your website. Don't worry and don't think that it is very complex to build the website. It's very easy. It takes only 5 minutes to set up your website using your own website using WordPress as a platform on hosting services such as DigitalOcean and many other things. So I will show the example of DigitalOcean and how to build the WordPress based website as we proceed as part of the course. So these are several options. Either you can use public websites like blogspot.com to become a blogger, where you will get domain where you will get a subdomain under blogspot.com, something like this. Okay, so I can actually register now, and I can start writing blogs under the subdomain of D. Gadiraju. under blogspot.in. Okay. So, or you can actually go with GoDaddy. You will get your own domain, and you will be paying monthly $10 or $15 to the cloud-based service provider who runs your website. Okay, and that also good for small blogging sites, and those blogging sites, especially the GoDaddy and WordPress, have something called plugins and themes. And if you go with GoDaddy, you might not have a lot of flexibility. If you go with WordPress, because it's completely managed by you on a cloud hosting service, you can use whatever plugin you want, whatever theme you want, and it gives you a lot of flexibility to become a successful blogger and also make money out of it in a more effective fashion. I will give all those tips as we proceed. So those are different platforms. There are many on top of WordPress. Similar to WordPress, there are some JavaScript based blogging platforms. There are some PHP. WordPress is PHP based blogging platform. Similar to WordPress, there are something called Joomla and many other platforms, but WordPress is most popular one, and I will be using WordPress itself to explain all the concepts behind it to build our blogging website. So as part of this playlist, what you will learn is how to set up your website using DigitalOcean, and also I will cover a little bit of information about how you can do it on AWS also. And then understanding of the platform. So once we set up the website, you will get access to the admin console of your website. So you need to have a deep understanding of the admin console. There are so many complex things for a amateur IT guys who need to understand those complex or different modules in WordPress to make your blogging site more effective. And unless you market yourself, you will unnecessarily losing some of the revenue. So marketing is very important, and integrating with the different platforms is crucial to make your blogging website popular and get the most value out of it. So we'll see the entire and we will see all the details about how to become a successful blogger running your own website, and also how to market yourself. And on top of that, my approach is a little bit different to typical bloggers. I have a lot of video content, and I use the video content to make my blogs a little bit more effective and get best of both the worlds. So I can make money out of YouTube as well using AdSense, and also my blogger as well using AdSense. Hence, I will explain those areas also, how to integrate YouTube with Blogger and get money from both the directions. Means you can market about your blogging website on your YouTube channel, and you can market your YouTube channel on your blogging website, and you can get best out of both the worlds. That being said, I hope you will be enjoying this playlist. If you like the idea, please click on the like button. If you want to provide the feedback, please use the comment section of the video. If you are not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so, and also make sure that you share this information about my channel with other people on relevant content. On top of this one, I have a lot of content related to big data, cloud, and I will keep on adding more and more content over time. So if you are an IT professional, you can follow me, follow me on my website, subscribe to me on my channel, and also you can connect with me on other social networking platforms which are available in the description. That being said, thank you. Bye.